Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at the top stories making headlines tonight. In the Kalyan kidnapping murder case, rape charges have been added against the main accused, Vishal and Sakshi Gavli. The couple remains in police custody until 2 January as authorities intensify their investigation. This development underscores the seriousness of the crime and the authorities' resolve to deliver justice. Japan Airlines faced a major disruption today due to a cyber attack, causing flight delays and the temporary suspension of ticket sales. The attack occurred during the peak holiday season, leaving many travelers stranded and highlighting vulnerabilities in airline operations. President Draupadi Murmu today honored 17 young achievers with the prestigious Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. The award recognizes excellence in diverse fields such as art, culture, sports, and technology, celebrating the talents of India's youth. In Mumbai, Shiv Sena, UBT, Chief Uddhav Thackeray has initiated a review of the party's position ahead of the crucial BMC elections. This assessment comes as the party strategizes to strengthen its hold in the city's civic polls. A monumental electoral dataset has been released in preparation for the 2024 Lok Sabha and State Assembly elections. This comprehensive dataset includes detailed voter information for 543 parliamentary constituencies and 4 state assembly elections, marking a significant step in electoral transparency. A fire broke out at a hospital in Greater Noida, sparking panic among patients and staff. This incident raises concerns about safety measures in public spaces, particularly high-risk areas like hospitals and industrial units. Dense fog has disrupted life in Delhi, with reduced visibility causing train delays and leading to an advisory at the airport. As winter intensifies, rain is also forecasted for the region, adding to travel woes. Authorities continue to monitor air quality and visibility. In Faridabad, a Class 11 student was fatally stabbed in a local market while bystanders chose to remain silent. This tragic incident not only highlights the growing threat of local criminal elements but also the disturbing indifference of witnesses during emergencies. In Kazakhstan, an Azerbaijan Airlines plane crashed, leaving 38 dead and 29 injured. Authorities are investigating the cause of the crash as discussions on aviation safety and emergency response protocols take center stage. These were the top stories of the day. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the hour. Thank you for watching Channel 6 Network.